Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you what does Tempest Totem do in Fish. To get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and head over to Fish. And here, head over into the shipwright man. And here, you'll need to summon your ship to be able to go to the Terrapin Island. So in the Terrapin Island, you'll be able to find the Tempest Totem. And as you can see in here, based on my conversation with the shipwright, I won't be able to view the ships that I have since I don't have one. To be able to go to the Terrapin Island, you'll need a boat in the app. Now, once you're on the boat, you just need to go straight on this waters and you'll be able to find the Terrapin Island. Once you guys have made your way on the Terrapin Island, you want to look for these barrels. So they're going to be located next to the main island. Simply go under the barrels and you will see the little hole that goes into the ground or cave, whatever you want to call it. Once you're in the hole, you'll have to swim up at the end, so keep that in mind that you'll have to go ahead and swim up. Once you do that, you will see the Tempest Totem. You'll be able to buy the Tempest Totem for 2,000 credits. Moving on, what the Tempest Totem actually does is once you click on it, you right click on it, it is actually going to make it rain. So it's going to change the season to rainy, as you can actually see once you try to use the Tempest Totem. So it actually allows you to change the season into rainy season. And that's basically what the Tempest Totem does. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.